Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kania Pratiwi, with NIM 2024-31048, and today I'm going to explain the database from the exam PP. Okay, first thing first, you have to turn on the Apache and MySQL in the exam PP in order to open the shell in order to running the program. And then in here I make the database with my student ID and then my name underscore laporan underscore 1, and then the next one this makes a new database named after your student ID, and remember, database names cannot contain spaces. The next one, we select the database with use my student ID and then my name and then laporan underscore 1. This tells the system that all the following commands will be stored inside this database. Then we create table called transaksi with several columns. The first one is ID underscore transaksi and a unique number for each transaction, automatically increasing. And then the second one, tanggal underscore transaksi, the date of the transaction, and then nama underscore pelanggan, that means the customer's name, and then jenis underscore transaksi, the type of transaction, for example purchase, and then category is for the item or service, jumlah is for the amount of money, and then the next one, methode underscore pembayaran is for the payment methods such as cash, transfer, or e-wallet. Status for the transaction status, which can only be pending, success, or cancel. Created at the time when the record was created, automatically filled. After that, we add one more column for the transaction, which must be unique. This means no two transactions can have the same code. Next, we insert at least 15 records into the table. Each record includes different values for category, payment, and then method, and then status. For example, one transaction might be a purchase of electronics paid in cash with status electronics paid. With status success, while another might be food paid by transfer with status cancel. And finally, we display the data with this query. Select ID underscore transaction, nama underscore pelanggan, and then kode underscore transaksi from transaksi where status equals cancel ordered by ID underscore transaction ASC. This shows only the cancelled transactions, displaying 3 columns: the transaction ID, the customer's name, and then the transaction code. The results are sorted from the smallest ID to the largest. Okay, I think that's the complete process. Create the database, select it with table, add a unique column, insert data, and then filter only the cancelled transaction. I guess that's all from my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.